Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is our tutorial video for lesson number 2, in which we're going to learn the letters U, R, and K on the keyboard. So yesterday, we already did F, J, and spacebar, and those were pointer finger, and thumb. And we know where F and J are because they have these little bumps on them, and I can feel them. I don't need to look to see where they are because I can feel them. So we have 3 new letters we are learning today. We are learning U, K, and R. So we're moving up to top row for U and R, and we're staying in home row for K. So U and R are pretty simple because R is yellow, just like F, and U is green, just like J. So my left pointer finger is yellow. So since these are both yellow, that means I use my left pointer finger for both of them. They're the same finger. Since my right pointer finger is green, and both of these are green keys, that means I use this same finger for both of them. So when I'm on home row, remember, I can see the G and the H, good hands. Those don't get covered. When I type F, I use the pointer finger. When I type R, I also use that pointer finger. When I type J, I use my right pointer finger. When I come up for U, I also use my right pointer finger. And both times, I always go back to home row. So I push the U and I come back to J. I push the R and I come back to F. I always come back, okay? The last one we're going to learn is K. That's a new finger. That's on my right middle finger. So since it's a new finger, we are going to add a new color. So the letter K is our next one in home row. And like I said, it's with my right middle finger. That's going to be a blue key. So on home row, you now know F, J, and K. So left pointer, right middle finger. Your hands stay on home row. They always come back. So let's say I wanted to type R, I come back to F. U, I come back to J. K. You're going to be typing those 3 letters today. Plus, in your lesson, you're still going to have to practice F, J, and spacebar. Okay? So on your keyboard, this is where we left it off yesterday. Now we're going to add those new letters in. So we're going to add R, which is right here above the F. I'm going to put a capital R. Remember, I'm writing neatly so that it can be read. Over here above the J, I'm going to put a capital U. And over here next to the J, I'm going to put a capital K. So I need out yellow and green and blue. Those are the 3 colors I need out today. So I have my yellow out. I would color the R with yellow, which means it's a pointer finger, same finger. I have my U, which I'm going to color quickly, and I'm going to color it green, but remember, you're going to color neatly. That fast I colored it. So that means these are both my right pointer finger. And then over on my K, that's going to be blue. So I'm going to take my blue out and color this blue quickly and neatly. But I don't have a finger colored in for that yet. So since it's a new color, I have to color in the K finger. Okay. So once you have completed your keyboard, you can go on typing.com and you can do lesson number 2, which is U, R, and K, beginner lesson number 2. Please remember, in order to get a grade, you have to do all of the lesson activities 2 times at least, and your accuracy percentage needs to be a 95% or higher. If it's a 93, a 91, an 87, you will get 0 points for it. You have to do the lesson at least 2 times. And at the end of 2 times, if it's still not a 95, then you have to do it again until it reaches 95. I will be checking your keyboards and your typing.com lessons soon, so make sure you are staying up to date on your work and you're not getting behind.